Okay, I'm experimenting if this is gonna work. I did a little portion of my front yard. If they don't die, and then if they, they do good, and I'm probably gonna do the whole front yard of this thing. So good luck. I just put the new ones right there. Those are 3 trays for today. It's how they look like before when I did this a month ago. 1 month ago. Now a lot of these are already, see, these are already connecting. They're crawling under this weed, which I couldn't control. I didn't realize how big they are compared before until I saw this morning.